guys, welcome back to Srimad Creations. Wishing you all a happy Pongal in advance. As a Pongal special, today we are going to prepare two kinds of Pongal using barnyard millet, which is called as Kudrevali Pongal in Tamil. Barnyard millet is basically a good source of protein, carbohydrates, fiber, and more micronutrients like iron and zinc. Firstly, let's see the ingredients used for the sweet Pongal, which is Chakkare Pongal. Half cup barnyard millet, that is Kudrevali Dhanyam, quarter cup yellow moong dal, that is Pasi Parupu, 1 cup jaggery, you can add little extra if you need more sweet, few cashews and raisins, half teaspoon cardamom powder. Take a pan to dry roast the millet and moong dal. Today I have taken a clay kadai to make the dish more organic and traditional. Dry roast the millet for 2 minutes and moong dal for 3 to 4 minutes separately and keep it aside. Frying the millet and dal would give a nice aroma to the dish. Take the same kadai, add the jaggery and quarter cup of water. Once the jaggery is melted completely, switch off the flame. Now strain the melted jaggery and keep it aside. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, add the cashews, fry until light brown and then add raisins. Once the raisins are popped, switch off the flame and keep them separately. Now take a heavy bottom pan. I have taken bronze vessel today to make the dish more authentic. You can use according to your convenience. Pour 4.5 glasses of water and let it boil. Add the millet and dal together. Cover the vessel and cook it in medium flame for 10 minutes. Stir it occasionally. Open the lid and check if the millet is cooked completely. Add the jaggery syrup and stir it well. Add 3 tablespoons of ghee and give it a good mix. Finally, add the fried cashews, raisins and a pinch of cardamom powder to the pongal. You can add more ghee if you need. Now the sweet pongal is ready to eat. Serve it hot and enjoy. Now let's move on to the next recipe, Ven Pongal. For Ven Pongal, I have taken 1 cup of barnyard millet and 1/3 cup of moong dal. Both roasted separately as we did it for sweet pongal. Take a heavy bottom vessel, pour 6 glasses of water and let it boil. Meanwhile, take 1 tablespoon of pepper, crush it and keep it aside. 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, few cashews, few curry leaves and a piece of ginger. Once the water has come to boiling state, add the millet and dal and give a quick mix. Cover the lid and cook in a low-medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Stir it occasionally. Now for tempering, take a small pan, add 3 tablespoons of ghee and roast the cashews till brown. Add the crushed pepper and cumin seeds and stir for few seconds. Finally, add the curry leaves and grated ginger and switch off the flame. Once cooked completely, add the required salt, half teaspoon asafoetida and the tempering and give a good mix. add 3 more tablespoons of ghee to enhance the taste and texture. Now the delicious millet ven pongal is ready. Enjoy it with a nice coconut chutney. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Once again, wishing you all a very happy Pongal.